sandwich. Don't worry, if you're about to become a star. First, we put the tuna in the bowl. You're stuck. Come on, fishy. Get out. Don't forget, grown-up do the opening part. So yummy. Look at that, is Mount Everest. Next we add the mayonnaise. This is very important. Mayo is like a glue. But please don't use actual glue. Squeeze, squeeze. I'm gonna add salt and pepper. Grab your spoon and stir like a minute. Mix, mix, you're gonna be beautiful. Mix, mix, and you're going in my tummy. Mix, mix, and you're going in my tummy. My, when you are gonna be friends, and you're gonna be a nice sandwich, and you're going in my tummy so fast. Tuna and mayo, you're gonna be friends whether you like it or not. So yummy, it tastes delicious. Time for bread. Let me slice my bread. Spread it nice and even unless you want tuna mountain. Now I'm gonna spread it. If you made the tuna mountain, it's called adventure eating. Spread, spread, you're gonna be a nice sandwich. Spread, spread, and you're going my tummy. Spread, spread, you're not gonna be alone. You'll have mayonnaise, and you'll be a good one, and you'll have black pepper and salt. Ta ta la la la. Now I'm gonna show you my favorite thing. Cheese. Tastes yummy. Looks like an eyeball. Now I'm gonna close it. Now let's toast the sandwich. Good night, don't let the big bugs bite. Wait, is it done yet? Oh, look at that golden crunchy sandwich. The cheese has melted. Oh my god. I was waiting to eat that. Lettuce is optional, or let's pretend it doesn't exist. I can't wait to eat. Move to choose eating time. It looks yummy. I'm gonna taste it. So yummy. It's so good. I might have to hide it from Daddy because he likes to eat a lot of food. That's how to make tuna sandwich. If you like it, give it a like. Make sure you share and follow. Bye bye. I love you.